Hi, how can I help you today?
Well, I'm looking to replace the timing and serpentine belts on my car, and I just wanted to see what you have in stock. I don't really have a preference in mind, so anything is fine.
Well, I have multiple brands in stock, but let me ask you this first. Are you replacing them because of noise or wear, or just maintenance?
Well, I'm replacing these for maintenance. I have over 100,000 miles on my car, and the owner's manual recommends the timing belt should be replaced. I figured I'll do the serpentine belt at the same time.
That's a great call because the timing belt is a critical maintenance item at that mileage, and I'm going to recommend a complete timing kit from Continental.
You know, I always think tires when I think of Continental, but now that you mention it, I do know they make belts too. Why do you recommend them?
Well, to start with, a failed timing belt can destroy an engine, and it's a big job, so I wouldn't take a chance using anything other than the highest quality. Continental timing belts are engineered to OE specifications, featuring precision molded teeth with enhanced rubber compounds and tooth profiles specific to the vehicle and OEM requirements. On top of that, there are multiple different kit options, from the basic that comes with tensioner and idler pulleys to a water pump kit, a Pro Series kit containing OE components, and a Pro Series Plus kit that also includes front engine seals.
I did read something online about replacing the oil seals. Do you think that's a good idea?
Absolutely. It's a little extra work, but if an oil leak develops, it can ruin the new belt, and even though they may not be leaking when you remove the belt, let's face it, over 100,000 miles means these oil seals are likely just about due for replacement.
I guess that makes sense when you put it like that. Do you recommend a Continental serpentine belt as well?
Definitely. Continental's multi-V or serpentine belts feature advanced EPDM rubber compounds and a specially treated polyester tension member to reduce elongation and improve compatibility with today's modern belt drive systems. What kind of car do you have? Why don't I see what I have in stock?
It's that Mercedes right over there.
That's even better. Continental's metric belt for import applications is designed and manufactured in Germany and other European plants using a unique manufacturing process that ensures optimal dimensional stability and a long service life while providing quiet performance under diverse driving conditions and environments. The Continental metric belt for import applications is the OE replacement belt for many European vehicles, making it ideal for your car.
I'm sold. I love that car and I want to keep it on the road.
That's the name of the game. Let me look up the belts and I'll get you everything you need.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for your help.
Thank you.